حي على الصلاة حي على حي على الفلاح حي على
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salamu ala nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa azwajihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilman ajma'in inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase in all of us knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, when we were learning fi'al, I told you about the root word consists of 3 radicals. We say first radical, second radical, and third radical. Or we say fa kalima, ain kalima, and lam kalima. Now, brothers and sisters, this is the root. And many patterns you will see, we will come across, they are based or built on the root. Okay? One of the pattern of adjectives, sifat, one of the pattern is, brother, what is this pattern? Fa'alam. No, you just have to see the root. Where is the root? Fa, ain, and lam. Everything else is extra. What is it? But that is the root. So if I say to you, brothers and sisters, Jav'anu, where is the root? Jim, Waw, and Ain. If I say to you, Ghadbanu, where is the root? Ghain, Dad, Ba. Everything else is extra. So if I have to say the plural of this is made on the pattern of fi'alun. So how will you make ghadabanu into fi'alun? Ghidabun. Got the idea? Okay. Atshanu. Where is the root? Ain, toy, and sheen. So make on the wazan of fi'alun, ta, shun. It's easy. Ta, shun. Got that? Okay. Now, if I say the muannas is on the pattern of fa'ala. So how will you say now? Ghadbanu, ghadba. What will you say? Because we just have to look to the fa kalima, ain kalima, and lam kalima. Are you with me? All the time you will see patterns coming in front of you, and they will all consist of fa, ain, and lam. And then rest of things are extra. Okay? So here, atshanu, make it on the pattern of fa'ala, atsha. It should not be difficult. Kaslanu, kasla. So it's not difficult. The only thing is to understand how the pattern works and how it is derived. And we only look to 3 radicals. That's all we look to. Everything else is extra. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, jav'anu, brother and sisters, and ghadabanu and atshanu, when you go to the root, you will find a verb there. Ghadabanu, the madi is ghadiba. He became angry. Atshanu, atshanu, atasha. He became thirsty. And shab'anu, remember? I will write down shab'anu. Mostly this is related to food. When you are full, satisfied, means you are not overeating. You are just full. You just need enough. I'm full now. So that is called shab'an. Okay. So what is the verb? Shabiya, to be satisfied. Are you with me, brother and sister? So how will you make the fi'alun from here? Shiba'un. Just remember, fa'ala, shiba'un. And what will be the muannas on the pattern of fa'ala? Shaba. Shaba. Got the idea? And what is the verb? Shabiya. To be satisfied. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Keep that in mind. Now, coming to jav'anu, okay, the verb is like qala. Okay, what is the root of qala? Qawala. Are you with me? What is the root of zaka? Zabaka. We are going to learn. This is all in lesson 26, 27. We are going to learn. Those lessons are exclusively devoted to weak letters. We must get strong in our sound verbs in which there is no vowel and no ja. These are the verbs we are learning now. And then we come to weak verbs. Inshallah, we should be strong enough to tackle them with ease. So ja'a, he became hungry. So ja'a is jaba'a. And from there, it came java'an. But when, these are the things between waw and ya, they interchange sometimes. As soon as you put G, the waw change into ya. Because waw is not compatible with kasra. And ya is not compatible with dhamma. We are going to learn all these things, inshallah. Instead of saying jivaun, you say jiyaun. What do you say? Jiyaun. Instead of saying, I write down. Instead of saying jivaun, because of kasra, the vav changed into ya. So you say are you with me? More we are going to learn later on. There is a lot to learn, and it is all very fascinating and very interesting. Like mathematics, brother. The earlier Muslims, brother, they were masters of mathematics and science. Because the Arabic language itself is mathematics and science. Arabic language itself is mathematics and science. So earlier Muslims, they were masters of mathematics and science. And from where the Renaissance in Europe took place. They learned everything from earlier Muslims and then went ahead and, progressed in science, and applied science and everything. And we somehow, for various reasons, we went to sleep. I think we are still sleeping. We have to wake up. Because education, be it science, mathematics, chemistry, is also part of ibadat. Brother, Allah has given us brain, and we must use it. And those who use it, they go ahead. Those who sleep will remain asleep and ignorant, brother. So learning is part of Islam. Remember the first command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Iqra. Means read. And how will you read? Unless you know how to read. So better learn how to read. We should learn how to read and then read and read and read and read. More and more, inshallah. So brother, jivaun became jiyaun. So it should not surprise you, okay? And we will get to learn more about all these things later on in book 3. So we come to the same page 44, brothers and sisters. Hamidun Jav'anu. These are the misal. These are the examples. And then we have to fill in the blanks. Hamidun Jav'anu. And what will be Maryam? Jav'a. Write down the wazan there. Write down the wazan. Fa'alanu. Write down the wazan. Fa'alanu. And then write down near Maryam the wazan. Fa'ala. Okay? And then write down the wazan near Jiya'un. Write down the wazan Fi'alun. And somewhere on the top, write down Jiba'un and then equal to Jiya'un. Write down. Jiba'un is equal to Jiya'un. So all these patterns, if they are there, inshallah, when you will revise, you will become fresh and it will not confuse you. Fa'ala, fi'alun, jiwa'un became jiya'un. Okay. Khalidun atshanu. Maryamu atsha. At-tullabu itashun. At-talibatu itashun. Are you with us, Mother Abdul Samad? Inshallah. Ibrahimu Sha'ban. Maryamu Shab'a. Are you with me? You can even easily do it now, Okay? And at-tullabu shiba'un. At-talibatu shiba'un. Fine. Al-mudarrisu غضبان. المدرسة غضبا. المدرسون غضاب. المدرسات غضاب. Same. From in plural, for muannas and muzakkar, it's same. Fine, brother. Okay. Yusufu kaslan. Maryamu kasla. Now here the plural does not follow the pattern. The pattern has changed. What is it? Kusala. Instead of fi'alun, it's different pattern. So we just have to memorize it. This is an exception. Kusala. What is it, brother and sister? Exception. Okay, fine. Now we come to number 15. Ta'ammal. Ponder. Ma yali. What follows. Lima is equal to limaza. What is the meaning of lima? Why? Limaza. What is the meaning of limaza? Why? Are you with me? So here is a question. Lima kharajta min al fasli. Okay. Lima kharajta min al fasli. What is the translation? Why did you go out of the class or come out of the class? Okay. Now, if we have a hiwar, which means dialogue, akharajta min al fasli. What is the translation? Did you leave the class? You said naam. Then I'm asking you, lima. Why? How the lima is used? When the lima is used alone, then the ha comes. This is called how sakti, silent ha. What is it? Silent ha. It only comes when lima is used alone, on its own. But you won't use lima in the beginning. There will be other questions. Akharajta min al fasli? Naam, kharajtu. And then you are asking, why? Lima. So ha will come as a silent, lima. You are not pronouncing it because there is a sukoon on it. And it comes in the Quran also, like this, you know. Lima darabta. See here, lima darabta. Lima is not alone. Are you with me? Lima is not alone. Lima darabta hazal walada. Lima darabta hazal walada. Brothers and sisters. Now the hiwar takes place. Adarabta hazal walada. Translation. Did you hit the boy? Naam. Now we say, instead of saying, why did you hit the boy? We say, lima. Why? Are you with me? So this is how lima is used. Keep that in mind, brothers and sisters. If Dr. Abdurrahim explains us something without asking us to do any exercises, he means that this rule should be observed and kept in mind. This is for our observation. When there are no exercises, means he is explaining the rule and we should bear it in our mind. When he says do the exercise, means that rule is even more important and we should practice it. Okay, number 16, brothers and sisters. Uktubil asmal atiyata majruratan wa mansubatan. Now we have done this in book 1, brother. Al-marfu, al-majrur, and al-mansub. Okay. We did it, if you remember. We had a special page where you were asked to do it. Kitabun, kitabin, kitaban. The only thing you should be careful when you have mansub form, which is indefinite, then alif is added. Do you see, Brother Muhammad? Kitaban, Brother Hassan, how kitaban is written? With a tanween fatah, there is a alif. So that should be also born in our minds, Hamidun, Hamidin, Hamidan. Now, this is all halwa puri, brother. You can do it. Khalidun, Khalidin, Khalidan, Baitun, Baitin, Baitan, Rajulin, Rajulan. Okay. Now comes Sayaratun, Sayaratin, Sayaratan. Now, in Ta marbuta, you don't give alif. Do you see that? In Ta marbuta, you don't give alif. Okay? Sa'atun, Sa'atin, Sa'atan, Mikwatun, Mikwatin, Mikwatan, Saburatun, Saburatin, Saburatan, Madrasatun, Madrasatin, Madrasatan. No, this is very easy, brother. Inshallah, you will do it. Probably you have all done the exercise in your handout. Ta'ammal ma yali. Ponder what follows. Hati ya Ahmad. Now, Hati, brother and sister, is a fail amar. But we will learn a little more about it later on in book 3. Okay, Hati, what is the translation? Bring. Okay. Hati, no, if it is a fail, then there has to be a file. So, where is the file in Hati? Mustatir. Takdiruhu anta. Takdiruhu anta. Within next few days, we are going to learn Fair Amar. And you will be, inshallah, very comfortable and you will enjoy it, inshallah. Now, for Muannas, it is Hati. With Ya. Now, tell me, brothers and sisters, between Hati, with a kasra, single kasra, and between Hati, with a kasra and Ya, what is the difference? Yes, Ya is your file. What is it? Ya is your file. And what does it represent, Sister Maimuna? Anti. What does it represent? Anti. That Ya means anti. Okay? It is the same Ya that comes in the Mudariya. You know? Tazhabina. Remember? Tajlisina. Tarji'ina. That is the same Ya. Okay? For anti. And Hatu. Where is the file? Wow. And Hatina. Where is the file? Nunu Niswa. Just remember it, brother and sister. Fine. Now, number 18 is a very interesting exercise, brothers and sisters. How many of you have gone to the website of Medina University? You should all go. Huh? All of you? Brother Hassan, have you been? Okay. Because all these things are there with pronunciation and everything. It's a wonderful, wonderful thing, brother. It was not there when we were learning Arabic. These are all beautiful tools that are there and for you to sit down and take advantage of it. So, in the website, the 5 verses of Surah Rahman, Surah Hadid, and Surah Nabai, these are all given there. Read it, brother. And if you get a time, write it. Okay, brothers and sisters? Al-Kalimatul Jadidatu. Majallatun. What is the plural? Majallatun. Jama Muannas Salim. Okay, brothers and sisters? Rakibun. Rukkabun. See, this is also on a pattern. Rukkabun. Fu'alun. What is the pattern? Fu'alun. Can you think of some other plurals on this pattern? Tullabun. Common. And then Tujjarun. Are you with me? These are also on the same pattern, okay? Shakkatun. Brother, it is Shakkatun. In the new Medina book, there is a mistake. It says she. Brother Abdul Samad? It is Shakkatun. Give it a fatah. Give it a fatah. shakkatun. And then jama is shakakun. Huh? Those who are using New Madina books, please correct it. It is shakkatun, shakakun. What is the meaning of shakkatun? Apartment. Apartment. Huh? Imaratun, building. Amairu. Amairu. Sinnun. Your tooth. And asnanun, teeth. Kalimatun, word. Kalimatun, jama. Now this is very interesting. Suratun, the surah in the Quran. And what is the jama? Suwarun. So these are the things, brothers and sisters, inshallah, you will memorize it. The best way is to revise, and as we learn and read more, we try to retain it in our mind. Ja'a. What is the meaning of ja'a? He came. Huh? And kawa, he ironed. Huh? Okay, very good, brother and sister. Now we go to lesson number 7. Adarsus Sabi'u. Now, what is the difference between Adarsu Sadisu, Adarsus Sadisu, and Darsus Sabi'u? Brother, in lesson number 6, we had all singular verbs. Huwa, hiya, anta, anti, ana. Now will come plurals. Antum, antunna. Whenever there was a question, okay, akarati or akarata, what was our answer? Naam, karatu. So if the question is azahabtum or zahabtunna, what will be our answer? Zahabna. Are you with me? Azahabtum, did you all go? Yes, we went. Huh? So if the question is zahabtum or zahabtunna, and then you will say zahabna. So this is the most beautiful, way Dr. Sahib, Dr. Abdul Rahim has explained us. Piece by piece. All these different forms of verbs with different pronouns. Al-Abu, the father. Aina zahabtum ba'da darsi ya abnai. We always have to look whom this statement is addressed to. Are you with me? Ya abnai. Abnai, how many words are there? 2. Mudaf, mudaf ilayh. Oh my sons. Abnai is my sons. Abna'u, mudaf, and then ya mutakallim, mudaf ilayhi. Caught the idea, brother and sister? It is a compound. Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Aina zahabtum ba'da darsi. What is the translation? Where did you go after the lessons? What is the answer? Zahabna ilal mal'abi. We went to the playground. So look at it, brothers and sisters. Zahab and then na. So what is here? How many words are there? 2. Zahab, fi'al, na, fa'il. Huh? And what is ilal mal'abi? Char maju. Is this jumla ismiya or fi'liya? This is jumla fi'liya. Zahabna, brother. The sentence starts with verb. What is the verb, brother Muhammad? Zahabna. Zahab and na. Na is fa'il. So what will you say? Is this jumla ismiya or fi'liya? This is jumla fi'liya. Then there is no need for shibbu jumla khabar. Don't make that mistake. No shibbu jumla khabar here, brothers and sisters. Okay. Now the same rule again, and separate them. Laibtum is the verb. What is the meaning of laibtum? Laiba, he played. So laibtum, another new verb. Now we don't know whether you played soccer or whether you played basketball. Okay? So if you are asking about two things, then one has to come after and other will come after So look at it. Kuratal qadami laibtum kuratas salati. What is the translation? Did you play soccer? In English we'll say, did you play soccer or basketball? But if you make a literal translation, then what will happen? Soccer, you played, or, but that's the way it should be. Any other way will be wrong. If you say, alaibtum kuratal qadami salati, then it will be wrong, brother. When you have and we got to separate them. Two things that are being asked should be separated. Okay? See, what is the answer? Laibtum. What is the answer? Laibna. Laibna. Where is the verb? Laib. Na is the file. Laibna al-yawma. What is al-yawma? Zarfu zaman. Kuratal kadami. We played soccer. Laibna kuratas sallati fil isbu'il ma'adi. Translation, brother? We played basketball last week. We played last week. We played last week. Okay. Last week we played basketball. Now again in negation. أما ذهبتم إلى المكتبة اليوم أما ذهبتم إلى المكتبة اليوم. Yeah. Didn't you go to the library today? No, it is in negation. And we went. So what we will say? Bala. Yes, indeed. Bala. Zahabna. Zahab. Fi'al. Na. Fa'il. Very good, brother. Maza karatum hunaka. Translation, brother. What did you read there? Hunaka is zarfu makan. Kara'ana. Karana suhufa. Karana suhufa. But what is suhufa? Newspapers. Plural. What is the singular? Sahifatun. Write down there, sahifatun. This is your singular, brother. Karana suhufa. See, kara, na, and suhufa. What is suhufa? Mafulun bi. Okay, let us ask the question. Kara, na, we read. What did you read? So suhufa. Very soon you will know that all of these verbs are transitive. You will know, inshallah. You will feel it. And then you will know there are mafulun bihis coming after that. Asamiyatumul akhbara. What did I say, brother? Asamiyatumul. Tumul. I did not say samiyatum al-akhbara. I say samiyatumul. Give a dhamma on meme. This is to say it in one smooth way. Asamiyatumul akhbara. Tu has a dhamma. Meme normally has a sukoon. But if the following word starts with alif lam, then we give dhamma to meme. Are you with me? Samiya tumul. Tu mu. Dhamma on meme also. Did everybody give dhamma on the meme? Inshallah. Min izaati. Min al-izaati. Al-yawma min al-izaati. What is izaati? Radio station. Remember, these books were written over 35 years ago. There was no television at that time. Okay. Probably there was, but not in Saudi Arabia. Naam, sami' na ha. So this is another verb which are quite we are very familiar with it, brothers and sisters. Samia, we are familiar with it. Asami'tum. So, sami'na. And what is the next word? Ha. What is that? Maf'ulun bihi. Very good. Now comes I. Min ayyi. What is it? From which? Min ayyi iza'atin sami'atum. Translation, brother? From which radio station did you hear? What is the answer? Sami'na. Sami'na fa'il min thalathi iza'atin. And then min iza'ati riyadi, min iza'ati riyadi, wa iza'atil qahirati, wa min iza'ati landa. MashaAllah. You got all the vowel signs properly put, inshallah? Keep the vowel signs. Put vowel signs, brothers and sisters. It will help you, inshallah. Al-Abu. Sami'atu. Brothers and sisters? Sami'atu. I heard. What did you hear? Annal. What is this? Anna. Min akhwatu inna. So we need ismu anna, and it has to be mansub. Sami'atu anna bilalan. Got the idea? Now you know exactly why it is not bilalun, but it is bilalan. You know exactly why, because anna came in front of it. Okay. In the new Madina book it is Mudira, but in our old books it's Bilal. So Bilal is Mudir. Okay. So if you say Annal Mudira, or you will say Annal Bilalan. Anna. Okay, I say one more time, brothers and sisters. If you have Al Mudir, then you say Sami'tu Annal Mudira. If you have Bilal, then you will say Sami'tu Anna Bilalan. Maridun. Now this Maridun is Khabar Anna. Wa Annahu, and he is. And that he is fil mustashfa. So whether Annahu, what is who doing here? Ismu Anna Mansub. Where is Khabar Anna? Fil mustashfa. And what is fil mustashfa? Now we will say jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. So wherever there is a need to specify khabar, then we can say jar majrur shibu jumla khabar, or zarf shibu jumla khabar. Asahihun haza? Is it correct? Naam, haza sahihun. Shafahullahu. Shafahullahu. May Allah cure him. This is a very beautiful dua. You can change the pronoun in this. Shafahallahu, shafahullahu, shafaqallahu, shafaqillahu, shafakumullahu. You can change the pronouns, brothers and sisters. What is the verb? Shafa. Like masha. Remember? Kava, shafa. What is the root of it, brother and sister? Shin, fa, ya. Now see, it is shafa. Now if I put a pronoun, what will that be pronoun now? Maf'ulun bihi. Sahi? Okay? And then, if I say shafahu, then I have to write like this. Huh? For writing, it will be like this, shafahu. Shafa is the verb. Where is the file? No, in this case, mustatir. Huh? File is mustatir. Huh? And then this is mafulun bihi. This is not file, so do not get confused. Huh? How will you translate the may he cure him? May he cure him. And the one, Allah is the only one who cures, brother. The shifa comes from Allah. Here now I am putting here. Shafahallah. Shall I put her, he, who? Who? Why? File. No, file. Huh? Who is? File. Marfu. Huh? So now where is the verb? Shafa. And what is this? Mafulun bihi. And what is this? File. Huh? It is file. Inshallah. You will remember. Huh? Inshallah.
Is it normal that mafulun bihi can come before the file?
Whenever mafulun bihi comes in the form of a damir muttasil, what did I say? Damir muttasil, it will come with the verb. With the verb. You know, yesterday we did it. Huh? It will come with the verb. Inshallah. You follow, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Ameen. The father is saying, Al-Abu Ameen. Mata dakhal al-mustashfa. Mata dakhal al-mustashfa. Translation, brother? When did he enter the hospital? Dakhala is the fi'l. Where is the file? Mustatir. Taqdiruhu huwa. MashaAllah. Dakhala, where is the file? Mustatir. See, now there is no need to write down Bilal all the time. Dakhala means he entered qabla. What is qabla? Harf. And what will be the next word? Mudaf ilayhi majroor. So what will be the vowel sign? Salasati. And then ayya min. Final mudaf ilayhi. Qabla zarf. Salasati mudaf ilayhi. Wahuwa mudaf. And ayya min mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Are you comfortable? Qabla zarf. Salasati mudaf ilayhi. Wahuwa mudaf. And then finally, ayyamin mudaf ilayhi. Now this is what you have to understand. Al-Abu. Ayn al-kitabu zul ghilaf al-ahmari. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Ayn al-kitabu zul ghilaf al-ahmari. Translation, brother. Where is the, in English we'll say, where is the red covered book? Huh? Or you can say, where is the book with red cover? Huh? Okay, so brothers and sisters, here zu is coming as a, zu is always mudaf, but then zu can also come as a khabar, or it can come as a naat. Remember, it can come as a, if I say, Hamidun talibun zu khulukin. Okay, watch this, brother. Hamidun talibun zu khulukin. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? What is Hamid? Mubtada. Huh? Where is the khabar? And what is Zu doing here? It is a naat. Wahuwa mudaf. And then khulukin mudaf ilayhi. Huh? So here, Zu, okay, is coming as a naat for Taliban. So here we have whether al-kitabu zu. Just write down zu as a naat for al-kitab. Wa huwa mudaf. Huh? Just write down, inshallah, when you will revise, you will get stronger, you will understand it fully. Kitabu zu is your naat. Wa huwa mudaf. And where is mudaf ilayhi? Gilafi. Huh? And what is this? Al-Ahmari. Naat for Gilafi. Huh? And Zu is the naat for Kitab. And Ahmari is the naat for Gilaf. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah.